There's nothing more frustrating than accidentally deleting a page on your website and it's just gone. But luckily, Squarespace has a trash feature which allows you to bring back and restore deleted pages. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can resurrect your deleted pages from the trash bin. So in Pages here on our site, you'll see we've got a few pages in here. If I just delete stores, Squarespace is going to tell me, okay, deleted pages are no longer available and they will permanently be deleted in 30 days. Okay, confirm. And that will go through. Okay, done. Now, if I go, oh, what have I done? I didn't even mean to delete that page. Or in a few days, I realize, oh, actually, I needed it. All I need to do is just click on deleted pages. And then you'll see we've got the bin in here. So you have this for 30 days from deletion. So it shows here, okay, stores was deleted January 5th, 2026. So I know around the same point next month, it's going to be deleted. You can empty it, if you want to get rid of it sooner, or you can click on restore and confirm, and that is going to add it back into your site. Now, it won't add it straight back to where it was, which would be in the main navigation. It's going to add it to the not linked section. So if you need to then move it into a folder or into the main nav, you just drag and you drop, and it's that easy. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.